Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 digital soldering station. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is T21 Rework Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, T21. Model, DWS 200. Screen, 2.8-inch TFT screen. Temp range, 100 degrees Celsius - 450 degrees Celsius. Peak power, 200 W. Input voltage, 100 V, 240 V. Input fuse, 3A. Handle type, F210 F245 handle. Dimension, 156 by 96 by 103 mm. Net weight, 475 g. Certification, CE, RoHS. Item number 4 is JCD 750W Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, JCD. Model number, 8586D. Is customized, yes. Voltage, 110V or 220V. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, the Runtop 8586 Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, Runtop. Model, SMD. Display, LED microcomputer digital. Power, 700 W max. Air type, brushless fan soft wind. Air volume, 120/min max. Temperature, 100 to 500 degrees Celsius. Certification, CE. Item number 2 is Sugen T21 Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, Sugen. Model number, Sugen T21. Is customized, yes. Soldering iron tip, C115, C245, C210. Handle, T245, T210 control temperature. Power, 120 W max. Certification, CE, FCC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Sugen A9 Soldering Station. Specifications. Brand name, Kaisi. Model number, Sugen A9. Is customized, yes. Soldering iron tip, JBC C210, C245, C115. Handle, T210, T245, T115. Power, 120 W. Certification, CE, FCC.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.